Hey guys, today we're going to check out the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. We've already done a review on the Mavic 2 Zoom. If you'd like to check that video out, you can click on the icon above or in the link in the description down below. But first, let's get into the unboxing. There you have it, this is the Mavic 2 Pro. At first glance, it looks very similar to the Mavic 2 Zoom except for this Hasselblad branded camera. It has a 20 megapixel 1-inch CMOS sensor and a variable aperture. It has 31 minutes of flight time, which is a slight bump from the previous generation of the Mavic Pro series. It has an 8-kilometer flight range. It can shoot 4K up to 30 frames per second, 2.7K up to 60 frames per second, and 1080p up to 120 frames per second for that buttery smooth slow motion. So it has all the quick shots of the previous Mavic Pro as well as some of the new ones from the Mavic Air, which are Asteroid and Boomerang. It also has the APAS system from the Mavic Air. So what the APAS system essentially does is that instead of stopping when it detects an obstacle, it will use all the cameras and sensors on the drone to just smoothly fly around the obstacle. Oh, and it also shoots D-Log in 10-bit. What D-Log essentially is that it gives you more flexibility in post. So enough talking, let's take a look at some of the footages shot on the Mavic 2 Pro. So to conclude this quick review of the Mavic 2 Pro, this drone is definitely aimed at the travel vloggers and the landscape photographers / videographers. But it is also aimed at the filmmakers because it shoots log in 10-bit. And of course there's the Inspire series and the Phantom series that does a lot more for videos. But for the price and the overall size of the Mavic 2 Pro, it is very hard to beat. So let us know what you think of the Mavic 2 Pro down in the comment section below, and like this video if you like it, subscribe to us if you haven't already, hit the bell to get notified of our future videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!